Have you ever wondered how some people seem to build wealth from almost nothing while others struggle no matter how much they make? The truth is, getting rich isn't just about having a high-paying job or inheriting a fortune. It's about using the right strategies, making smart choices, and sticking to a plan over time. No matter where you're starting from, financial freedom is possible, and today we're diving deep into the strategies that can help you get there. In this guide, we will explore 10 key principles, from the power of compound interest to the importance of setting smart goals. Each section will provide practical examples, realistic scenarios, and actionable advice that you can implement immediately. This isn't just about abstract theories. This is a roadmap tailored to help you navigate your financial journey in the real world. Whether you're working a minimum wage job, freelancing, or climbing the corporate ladder, these strategies can fit your life. Let's dive right in and start making some changes. Start investing early and use compound interest to your advantage. One of the best ways to build wealth over time is to start investing as early as possible. The sooner you begin, the more time your investments have to grow through the magic of compound interest. The idea is simple. When you invest, your money earns returns, and then those returns generate more returns. Over time, this compounding effect creates exponential growth in your wealth. For example, let's say you invest $300 a month into a fund that earns an average annual return of 7%. After 20 years, your total contributions will amount to $72,000. However, thanks to compound interest, your account balance could reach around $150,000. If you start 10 years earlier with the same monthly contribution, that balance could grow to over $350,000. Time really is money when it comes to investing. You don't need a large amount of cash to get started. Investment platforms like Acorns or Robinhood let you begin with small amounts. Some even allow you to invest spare change from everyday purchases. The key is consistency. Even small, regular contributions can build a sizable portfolio over time. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. The best time to start is now. Budget smart and embrace frugality. Creating a budget might not sound exciting, but it's one of the most powerful tools for achieving financial goals. A budget helps you see exactly where your money is going, making it easier to cut unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving and investing. Think of it as a roadmap for your finances that ensures your dollars are working toward what truly matters to you. Frugality doesn't mean you have to deprive yourself of the things you enjoy. It's about spending intentionally and finding value in every dollar you spend. For example, instead of eating out 5 times a week, you could reduce it to once or twice and put the savings toward your financial goals. Cutting back on impulse purchases or canceling and used subscriptions can also free up more money than you might expect. Apps like Mint or Inab, You Need a Budget, can help you create and track your budget. The goal isn't to restrict yourself, but to align your spending with your priorities. When you start spending more mindfully, you'll be amazed at how much you can save without feeling like you're sacrificing too much. Leverage fintech tools to automate your finances. Automation is a game changer when it comes to managing your finances. Setting your savings, investments, and bill payments on autopilot ensures that you stay on track with your goals, even when life gets busy. It eliminates the need for constant decision-making and helps you avoid the temptation to overspend. For example, you can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts each month. Many employers also offer direct deposit options that allow you to allocate a portion of your paycheck to different accounts. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront can handle your investments, automatically adjusting your portfolio based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. By automating your finances, you take emotion out of the equation. You won't have to rely on willpower to save or invest because it happens automatically. Over time, these automated systems build momentum, helping you grow your wealth with minimal effort on your part. Build multiple streams of income. Relying solely on one income source can be risky. If you lose your job or face an unexpected expense, having additional streams of income can provide a safety net and accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Many successful people diversify their income through side hustles, passive income, or investments. Side hustles are a popular way to earn extra money. You could drive for Uber, sell handmade items on Etsy, or offer freelance services on platforms like Upwork. Even an additional $500 a month can make a big difference when used wisely to pay off debt or invest for the future. Passive income is another powerful strategy. This includes earning dividends from stocks, royalties from digital products, or rental income from properties. While some passive income sources require upfront effort or investment, they can provide ongoing income with little maintenance. Building multiple income streams ensures that you're never dependent on just one source, giving you more financial security and flexibility. Invest in sustainable and ESG options. Sustainable investing is gaining traction, and for a good reason. ESG, environmental, social, and governance. Investing focuses on companies that prioritize sustainable practices. This allows you to align your financial goals with your personal values. The best part? Many ESG funds perform just as well as traditional investments, if not better. For example, the Vanguard ESG US Stock ETF offers exposure to companies with strong environmental and social practices. Investing in these funds not only helps you grow your wealth, but also supports businesses that are making a positive impact on the world. It's a win-win situation. Sustainable investing isn't just about doing good. Companies with strong ESG practices tend to be more resilient during economic downturns, making them a smart choice for long-term investors. By including ESG funds in your portfolio, you can build wealth while contributing to a better future. Explore cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance. Cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance, DeFi, are transforming the financial landscape. While traditional investments like stocks and bonds are still essential, crypto offers unique opportunities for those willing to navigate its risks. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies have gained popularity as alternative assets with the potential for high returns. DeFi platforms are also gaining traction, allowing users to lend, borrow, and trade without the need for traditional banks. These platforms provide access to financial services that were previously out of reach for many people. However, the volatility of crypto markets means it's essential to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto isn't for everyone, but for those willing to learn and take calculated risks, it can be a valuable addition to a diversified portfolio. Just remember to stay informed and approach these investments with caution. Get serious about paying off debt. Debt can be a major roadblock on the path to financial freedom. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. Paying off your debt should be a top priority, as it frees up money that can be used for savings and investments. There are two popular strategies for paying off debt: the avalanche method and the snowball method. The avalanche method focuses on paying off the highest interest debt first, while the snowball method emphasizes paying off the smallest balances to build momentum. Both approaches work, so choose the one that feels most motivating for you. Once you're debt-free, you'll have more financial flexibility and less stress. The money you used to spend on interest payments can now go toward building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Stay informed about global economic trends. The financial world is constantly changing, and staying informed about economic trends can help you make smarter decisions. Factors like inflation, interest rates, and geopolitical events directly impact your finances. Keeping an eye on these trends allows you to adjust your strategies as needed. For example, during periods of high inflation, real estate and commodities tend to perform well. When interest rates are low, it might be a good time to refinance your mortgage or take out a loan for investments. Understanding these dynamics gives you an edge in navigating the financial landscape. Set smart goals and track your progress. Setting goals gives your financial journey direction, but vague goals won't get you far. Smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, provide clarity and motivation. Instead of saying you want to save more, try setting a goal like saving $5,000 in the next 12 months by setting aside $417 each month. Tracking your progress helps you stay accountable and makes it easier to adjust your plans as needed. Celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated. Remember, financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Breaking your big goals into smaller, manageable steps makes the journey more enjoyable and achievable. Building wealth takes time, effort, and a solid plan. But with the right strategies, like starting to invest early, budgeting smartly, automating your finances, and exploring new income streams, you can make it happen. What matters most is consistency and the willingness to learn along the way. Now it's your turn. What's the first step you're going to take toward financial freedom? Will you start investing, create a budget, or explore a side hustle? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss content that can help you crush your financial goals. Your journey to wealth starts today. Let's make it happen.